Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar, in the Material Design for Face-to-Face Environment course. In this case, in the step 1, which consists in make this video to give answer to the following question. What should English language learning materials have? Now I'm going to share the characteristics that the learning material should have or provide to the learners, feel easy, and improve their learning process, like novelty, variety, attractive presentation, appealing content, and achievable challenge. Materials should help learners to feel at ease. Materials should help learners to develop confidence. Materials should require and facilitate learners' self-investment. Materials should expose the learners to the language in authentic use. Materials should provide the learners with opportunity to use the target language to achieve communicative purpose. Materials should take into account that the positive effects of intrusion are usually delayed. Materials should take into account that learners differ in learning styles. Materials should take into account that learners differ in effective attitudes. Materials should permit the silent period at the beginning of the instruction. Materials should maximize learning potential by encouraging intellectual, aesthetic, and emotional involvement which stimulates both right and left brain activities. Materials should not rely too much on controlled practice. Materials should provide opportunities for outcome feedback. In all the cases, the learning materials should be attractive to call all the learners' attention. Whatever they should do to provide input, they do so ideally in principle, ways related to what they know about how language can be effectively learned.